just walking through the crowd right now. Probably going the wrong way, but I'm sort of lost right now. There's heaps of chicks about, but there's lots of titties. Hello. There's way lots of titties. Lots of titties. So there's more titties. There's some titties right now. I think I'm lost, but I can't remember. It's about 2 PM. But I've been drinking for a while now.
Genau dann einfach. Dann wieder
How you going, buddy? What are you selling? Huh? What do you sell?
What is sell?
Yeah. All the stuff. All the hats.
Right.
How many money?